Crawford here, Crawford short C, Raw, even shorter Nick is the names. How you guys going? It is Tuesday. Probably the earliest I've woken up in the last couple of days. It is around 10:30. About to head out, get ready. Those are getting a bit better. Not much stuffiness going on, but yeah, feeling a lot better. Last couple of days just been chilled out, relaxing, maxing, not very taxing. Gonna head out to the grounds, have a feed, and then see how it goes from there. See, Raw. I'll see you soon, and I'll see you later. Just another thing, private health fund got these pair of sunnies. Not bad, eh? Looks alright. I reckon they're pretty big, but fuck it, they work. Anyway, see you, Raw. See you soon. I'll see you later. So whoop. So whoop. I can't wait till I'm over my sickness. I can't even say this so whoop properly, man. Been waking up and shit during the nights. It's bloody hot these days. A lot of complaining, eh? Fuck that. No, but I just got... Today's probably a bit better than the last couple of days. Probably was able to wake up a lot better. Not bloody lying in bed just like... Oh, fuck, I'm fucking gone. Shit like that, but... I woke up like the other day actually... Like, struggling to breathe. Like, choking on my own saliva. And I was like, what the fuck is going on here? But I managed to get out of it. And yeah, I was like... kind of in a stage of between sleep paralysis and kind of awakeness. And yeah, I don't know if you guys heard about sleep paralysis before. It's pretty big. It's like a not pretty big, it's pretty scary actually. You're awake but you're asleep at the same time, and you can have hallucinations while you're there. It usually happens between like a deep sleep stage and a state of awakeness. So your whole body's shut off but your mind's still awake, so you know that you're awake but you can't move your body. And usually the hallucinations are something scary where you would have to try to get up or kind of move around. But once you realize you're stuck, you kind of freak out a bit. But if you ever get to that, kind of just relax off, know it's sleep paralysis, and you'll be sweet to go. There are other times is when in sleep paralysis you drift in and out of it. So you get your sleep paralysis, you're like, oh shit, I've got to get up and go. So you start moving, you get up to run away, and you actually get up and you run, but then all of a sudden you wake up again in your bed and you're stuck there. So it kind of becomes a loop, kind of like Inception. But yeah, those are just my experiences with sleep paralysis. So I'll see you soon, and I'll see you later. So,
but ridiculous.
I'll go and find him. I'll go and fix him.
Cool. I don't know, some people are fake.
Sorry, you're so fucking... Oh, what was that? Fake?
Like fake.
You have a K?
I reckon I can spit it a lot better, but